Yeah, I'm gonna call you back. Yeah, because we're not talking about anything. We're sitting on the phone quiet. Yeah, I'll talk to you later. Yeah, bye. When people call you and it comes to a point where you guys are just sitting on the phone quiet, it's just like, why did you call me? Because we talked about a little bit of something here and there, and then now I'm just sitting here listening to you breathe on the phone, or I'm listening to you eat. Like, please do not waste my rollover minutes with AT&T. Like, what did you call me for? Like, I am not someone who likes speaking on the phone personally. Like, the only times I really like speaking to people on the phone, oh my goodness, only times I really like speaking to people on the phone is if, like, I gotta spill some tea, they gotta spill some tea, I have to do a personal call about, like, a bill or something being off, or, like, if I like you. Other than that, I don't like speaking to people on the phone. So when someone calls me and they just have me sitting there and listening to them breathe, I'm just like, why'd you call me? Because now you're wasting my time. You're wasting my motherfucking precious time. Like, I could have been doing other things. Like, I could have been recording a YouTube video. I could have been watching something on YouTube. I could have been watching Netflix. Like, I was watching Netflix and I paused it and stopped to talk to you just for you to breathe in my ear. Please don't call me. If you're ever going to call me just to sit there and talk, maybe you like to hear me breathe. I don't know, but I wouldn't want to listen to me breathe on the phone. So why would you call me just to have me sit here like this at one point? Like, why? Why the hell did you call me? Because I had other things going on and I made sure to stop what I was doing for you. So if I'm going to stop what I'm doing in my everyday life to speak to you, why would you sit there just have me listening to you breathe or listening to you eat? Like, why? Do not. I repeat, do not waste my rollover minutes with AT&T because I don't think I have unlimited calling, but I know I got hella rollover minutes. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Ha 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 ha. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. And guys, it's Friday. Happy Friday. Fuck it up. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.